Here's the news of the day. Switlik Survival Products has redesigned its X-Back MOLLE Plus Aircrew Life Vest, enhancing comfort, durability, and modular functionality for aircrew safety in demanding conditions. The International Aviation Women's Association has rebranded as the International Aerospace Women's Association, expanding its mission to support women leaders across the aviation and aerospace industries. Archer Aviation launched its Launch Edition program with Abu Dhabi Aviation, aiming to deploy midnight eVTOLs and start passenger flights in Abu Dhabi this year. SkyDrive and AeroGulf Services signed a deal for up to 50 eVTOL aircraft, aiming to launch eco-friendly sightseeing flights over Dubai's Palm Jumeirah. Jet Zero Australia secured $29 million Australian dollars to advance its SAF project, Project Ulysses, with backing from Idemitsu Kosan, aiming for 102 million litres of annual production in Queensland. Australia's Arena is investing $10.4 million in projects by Licella and Viva Energy to advance SAF production, aiming to cut aviation emissions and establish sustainable fuel infrastructure. A World Economic Forum study estimates that $45 billion is needed to meet 2030 SAF demand, requiring 5.8 million tons of additional production capacity and major financial investment by 2026. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.